My name's Christopher Commisso. Hey, what's up guys? I have been recording an album for 2 years. Back in 2010, I started recording an original album of all my songs right here in this bedroom. And I have written, recorded, produced, engineered all of the songs. I have paid for everything myself and the album is ready to rock. But now, the final stage is I need to have the songs professionally mastered and then printed and put up on a CD, and that, my friends, is where you come in and you can help me make my dream a reality. If you are passionate about what I do and want to help me out, here's how you can, you guys. I'm doing this through Kickstarter. Kickstarter helps artists like myself who are independents, have no connection with a record label or anything like that, raise money to put their albums out. So if you go and pledge a dollar amount, certain dollar amount, there's different ones, there's rewards for you involved. I'm going to be giving away early downloads of the album. Those of you who follow me for years, you know where my heart's at in all of this. I just really love music and I'm very passionate about what I do, and I want to share my music and message with people. And I want you to have a CD to take home, or I want you to be able to download my music off the internet. Let's do this together. It's going to be awesome. I'm so excited. Go check out the Kickstarter website. Let's do this. Let's make it happen. You guys are awesome. I love you. Thank you for all your help. Talk to you soon. Wore her Converse to the prom.